Hello everyone, thank you for joining me here at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is our weekly heart chakra reading for the collective. I will explain the positions of the cards here in just a minute. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you are more than welcome to. The link to my website is just below in the description box. And I have really good fees right now for introducing this service. So I'd love to have the opportunity to work with your energy. The readings that I do on a personal basis are not as formal as what I do here on YouTube, and they are led by your own queries. So this reading is about our heart space. Our center card is for that chakra itself. The one on the left is representing the voice of the Dolphin matrix chakra, and the one on the right is from the spirit chakra. These two assisting energies are here to help evolve and ascend our heart chakra. So I'm just going to take a moment to pause and let what wants to come through intuitively present itself. Okay, so I'm getting this feeling that we need to be relaxing a little bit more, especially around issues of the heart. Maybe taking time, if you have a partner, a love interest, someone that's romantic, indulging in that a little bit, and actually indulging it to a point where you're really grounding it at the root level, like making this part of what makes you tick in life, giving it that amount of strength, basically, like you're trying to strengthen that and really feel like, even though it's an energy that makes you feel like you're flying and floating, perhaps, that at the same time you want to feel like it's there, that it's reliable, that it's not going to be fleeting, that even as it moves and transforms, that it's consistently a presence in your life. So if you are maybe even getting to know someone new, if this is actually, something that dealing with romance or partnership, this sense of it being something that you can cultivate for a long time. You may be thinking about that in part. It also seems that there needs to be a lot of energy coming through for this, and this isn't necessarily the type of energy that feels exceptionally spiritual. It feels more like it just needs to be energized. It needs to be full of life, that you feel re-energized by this, by having like a love that you can fall into and fall back on, that, as you relax and you just let yourself go into it, it will support you, and at the same time re-energize your heart space especially. And it will bring that sense of joy that music can bring, and that fluidity that the rhythm produced by music brings back to your life. It brings that sense of everything's going on in the right time, and it makes you feel like you're kind of interconnected with the oneness of reality and how every part of it just moves perfectly together. So this feels like a very restorative energy that wants to come through here for you and activate your heart space and really do a lot of healing work on it. And there's kind of a multi-layered message coming through, because it could be, I think it's because people are in different positions concerning this. So for some, it may be because this has gone on for too long. Like it's time to reconnect. Like the moment's now. It's also, Libra season. I've been saying this in all of the readings. It just feels that like the energies coming up are really appropriate to this time. Like opening up to receiving. Like the time is now. It's almost past due for it. And just maybe different issues around time, like if the timing's right, if this is happening, in the future, if it's someone from the past coming back, or just something with that. But there's definitely this sense that this isn't a momentary energy. There's something about really wanting to let yourself live with this, like be in partnership basically with love itself, more so than a lover or a person, that it's the energy that you need to come into alliance with and develop a relationship with, ultimately. So that's what I have for you. I appreciate you joining me. And tomorrow we will move on to the throat chakra, our areas of communication. So you guys take really good care.